Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A 17-year-old boy was shot dead in St. Andrew South Police Division on Tuesday. He is Nibinko Douglas, otherwise called Junior, of the Dilpath Crescent in Kingston 11. So my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, so me have to keep up on the numbers them with the killing will take place, because I don't know how it go already with Andrew Holness and Gogo Gaga. They like to say how, according to the statistics, crime and violence is down. So I'm just bringing this across so you know what is what. I just want to say rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the recent advisory issued by the U.S. State Department urging Americans to reconsider travel to Jamaica is proof that the perception of crime in Jamaica differs from the reality. Speaking at a national security seminar on Wednesday, the Prime Minister said his government must do a better job communicating its successes in the fight against crime and violence. Meanwhile, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson shared data at the seminar which he says proves that the incidence of crime perpetrated against foreign nationals is negligible. All right, my viewers and subscribers, when I hear the Prime Minister now, Andrew Holness, run out, and I say the government must do a better job communicating its successes. What am I tell them say? What are you telling them so they do a better job? You want the people them lie? Do you want the people them to lie? Because as far as me see, when the advisory put out, if you go back and look at it, them say when them check phone statistics, so they go off of that. Listen, I will uno come out and talk, and that the people them go after, what you think say? Because the people they hear everybody attack or hear bloggers attack, that uno want say no. No. So Andrew Holness no one Google Gaga come lie. Which Google Gaga already, two of them are cousin. So when I said Google Gaga, I'm talking the Major General, which is Anthony Anderson. We are collect how much money a year time, how much millions this money I get. Me put it out in one of my videos other day, sometime last week. This money I collect how much millions a month. Yeah, and you hardly hear him come out and talk about anything. You understand? Where him there? Where him a do? Him not come out when crime happen. You hardly hear him. Very weird. I fix bail in them always. I say no, to deal with this and deal with that. Yeah, but where this a man there? This a man I get whole heap of millions. But my viewers and subscribers, Andrew Holness now, in chat pure rubbish. Because I hear when come out and say right so. Alright, and I hear when come out and say, the Prime Minister said this government must do a better job communicating its successes in the fight against crime and violence. And he go back and he said, urging Americans to reconsider travel to Jamaica is proof that the perception of crime in Jamaica differs from the reality. So basically, he must say, no, go so. All right, me I go read something else where Andrew Holness say. And tell me if this a man in our contradict himself. Hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has acknowledged that the Jamaican state could collapse due to crime and violence if legislation is not implemented to categorize the issue. Mr. Holness said his administration has changed its policy approach to legislation and has made significant allocations to national security and has reaped results. All right, my viewers and subscribers, this is some of the time them come out and say things and not even remember. But at 2 the Andrew Holness come out and say this, Remember say, yesterday he run out, Yesterday he run out and I talk about the advisory. Then this man here come out, and hear what he must say. He must say, he acknowledged that Jamaican state could collapse due to crime and violence if legislation is not implemented to categorize the issue. You understand? So here we must say, so when they must say, American, they must go back to the Americans and ask them for reconsider them advisory. Why should they reconsider their advisory? When you come out and you say that, you say Jamaica we collapse, brother. You know, sister, you contradict yourself. My viewers and subscribers, you see the point for me I try, mate? You see the point me I put across? You see the point me I put across, my viewers and subscribers? Talk to me now. This man come out and he must send message to the American them and I say to the American them say, no, go so. Yeah, what we not talk about crime and violence, go like that. It is differs from the reality. But no, Andrew Holness come out today and him say, he said he acknowledged that Jamaican state could collapse due to crime and violence. And you see when I talk them sitting there on national TV, you Andrew Holness. You come out and talk that. And when you talk that, the Americans see what is happening. So you're contradicting yourself. You chat be a shit. You chat too much. You chat be a shit. You want the people to feel like, no, you have Google Gaga come out. First, what Andrew Holness do is send out the ambassador, the lady. Who remember the ambassador when me post her when yesterday I posted her. She was the one. She's ambassador for Jamaica Foreign Affairs. And they make sure so they send out she if come and ask American name for reconsider what them right about Jamaica. And look, Andrew Holness is the one that coming out and say him acknowledge that Jamaica state could collapse due to crime and violence. If you have a prime minister coming out and talking all them something up on public platform, what you think people fi do? This a man can contradict himself, my viewers and subscribers. This a man don't know he does a chat and chat pure shit. Because yesterday he come out and he talk about, he want America to reconsider this and reconsider advisory because I know so it go and stuff like that. Yeah? So how comes you come out today now, Andrew Holness, and is saying that you acknowledge that Jamaica state could collapse due to crime and violence if legislation is not implemented? Come on, Andrew Holness. And then uno make it look like say America tell lie pan uno. I wanna put out. So true now. You claim say alright, yet you claim say 30 people murdered last year. My viewers and subscribers, listen to this. So true you say 30 people murdered last year in a January, but this year in a January at 24. So wait, so true 24 get murdered this year now. So if people they enough say nothing, the people them still make no difference. So at that you call crime decrease. Mr. Andrew Holness have no sense. Me not understand him. My viewers and subscribers, this a prime minister is something else. He only come out and do pretty speech and remember when talk say. You understand? And then we are the bloggers now. We have to come and put all the pieces together like come here showing the pieces. Yes, this is what I am here for. Because Andrew Holness come out and talk about the people them for reconsider them advisory. Why should the people them reconsider it? When you are come out, you tell the people them from yesterday. You send out ambassador yesterday or day before yesterday. Then now you send out Google Gaga. And now you come out now. And you are say Jamaica state bad and could collapse. So if you go come out on public platform and say them something there, Andrew Holness, of course America, they have all right. Canada, they have all right to send out their advisory. I do not blame them. They do the right thing. They don't stay like you. Because if you don't care about your people, them health. If you don't care about your people, them health, a tourist health you care about, wait, when time America sent out this advisory, what was Christopher Tufton reply? If your health minister, what was his reply? Him come out on public platform and he said Jamaica health system cannot cater for the million of tourists who come to Jamaica. So where the backside and allow the people they deal with them people. Only things the people are idiot. And everybody, you have some country corrupt, but they nah make them people suffer. Me tell you that. Them nah let them down, not like you. When people have old people asleep on for and you a chat about you hear about old people. You think you can trick nobody, Andrew? And then you have a look of followers them behind a PP cloak. Now have no wisdom, eh? No wisdom they not have, no knowledge, no understanding. But my viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me wanna take me because I know so wanna full of pure wisdom over here, so no put on honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. My viewers and subscribers, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck I call opposition leader Mark Golding a political dunce. Whenever hear something, whenever hear this yet, tell me if you ever hear something go so yet in our life. Eh? Delroy Chuck, true because he can't get Mark Golding. Yeah, Mark Golding pan fee him side for sign legislation. This a man here call Mark Golding political dunce. Eh? Dunce bat, dopey bat, Delroy Chuck. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? What you are do? Hmm? But you see true Andrew Holness is like that. Wanna come see him and worse than Andrew Holness. Who the hell you think it is for you come disrespect the opposition leader like that? Who the hell you think it is? Me want to know out of Mark Golding and you, Delroy Chuck, who is most political dons? Are you, I didn't you know, hear what Andrew Holness call the whole of fully dons. So how the hell you can't talk about Mark Golding is dons? When Mark Gold, you see, Mark Golding a beat on the blouse and skirt wicked. Mark Golding a step on uno left, right and blouse and skirt center and you can't do nothing about it. That's why uno, the man disagree with the decision and say it is not good for Jamaica, and uno still decide to go along with it and they not agree with it. And true because Mark Golding not agree with it. And Mark Golding are no idiot. They can't chat about Mark Golding a political dunce. So out of order, you know, and no manners and no respect. That is very rude and disrespectful of you. Kupon you. You're arrogant. You're an arrogant man. Very, very arrogant man. You get angry, you get aggressive, really aggressive when it don't go your way. When you get this a man you call Mark Golding. This a man you call Mark Golding political duns, you know. And this a man I say my house leader, you know. Who the right to the whole you are lead? Who you are leading in that house of parliament? Somebody like that. Somebody like you Delroy Chuck. You is a arrogant man in that House of Parliament. You is the most arrogant person in that House of Parliament. When things not go your way, you get upset and you come across very arrogant. You is the dunceness. Yes, you're full upon you. Your head dunce, straight down to your foot dunce. You're full of dunceness. And then you have the audacity to come talk about a respectable man like Mark Golding, a man of integrity, where you not have, where your prime minister not have. How dare you do something like that? People like you know, people like you get kicked out of House of Parliament because you are so stupid. Coupon you. Coupon you. Who the hell you think it is? I can't disrespect Mark Golding. That not right. That not right, my viewers and subscribe. Mr. Me not come out, come short, you know. Mr. Me not coming out, come short after Delroy Chuck, because Delroy Chuck just begs from the way I see him rolling here for Mark Golding. Mr. Watch your dirtiness. Watch him. Watch your dirtiness. And I can't chat about Mark Golding dons. Me sure no say, just by looking and listening to Uno in the House of Parliament, Mark Golding are the most intelligent one in there. Out of the whole of Uno. Out of the whole of Uno. You know, say whole of Uno are fully done. You are fully done. Madam Speaker, Juliet Wallace are fully done. Andrew Wallace are number one. Him tap the fully done. Really and truly. How dare you? I am so ashamed of all these people representing us. Jamaica, I am so ashamed of all these people that call themselves leader representing us. It is a disgrace to Jamaica society. It's a disgrace. But don't tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.